Here at Autoboland Jaguar Land Rover, we have a wide selection of quality-approved used vehicles. Whether you want a family hatchback that's practical and functional, something sporty to get that heart racing, a 4x4 to take you where you probably shouldn't go, or simple great value for money, there's something at Autoboland Jaguar Land Rover for you. All our non-franchise vehicles carry a minimum of 12 months warranty. This gives you the peace of mind for the road ahead, and knowing that the Boland name has been synonymous with the motor industry for the best part of 100 years only furthers that sense of security for our customers. For more information on our approved used vehicles, contact Autoboland on 051 335 000 or visit our website www.autoboland.com.